Hello everyone, my name is Mauritius JV, Assistant Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore. Today I am going to explain one problem in isometric projection, how to approach the problem and how to solve it by using AutoCAD software. The problem statement will be like this. The frustum of a square pyramid of base 40 mm and top is 20 mm and height 60 mm rests on the center of the top of a square block of side 60 mm and height 20 mm. The base edges of the pyramids are parallel to the top edges of the square block. Draw the asymmetric projection of the combination of solids. And here we have two combination of solids. One is we have a first term of what square pyramid, and the base is what it is a square block. Okay, and they have given another condition. The base edges of the pyramids are what parallel to the top edges of the square block. Okay, now we're on the left hand side. Whatever the sketch you are having, it is used to understand the problem. In the front view, how it looks, and the top view, from the top view, how it looks. See, if you if you have uh, this kind of a imagination, how this square pyramid looks, and this square block in the front view and top view, then you can easily solve the this problem. Okay. Now in the examination, you don't worry about this the left hand side sketch. You just, if you want, directly go for this the isometric of this particular problem. Okay. Now we'll go for the software. Now I will open this AutoCAD software. Now see, when you go for AutoCAD software, now once you open the AutoCAD software, the first step is that you should select a suitable sheet. Okay, so if you want to select the sheet, you go for new, you go for browse template. In the browse template, you please select this ACAD ISO standard sheet. Then you please click on open. Okay. Now you selected a ACAD ISO sheet. And after this, what you need to do is you need to do three settings. Okay. And see, this is very important when you go for points, lines, planes, solids. Okay. Problem may be whichever you have, you please go with these three basic settings. One is unit settings, and you press UN enter. It is a shortcut key for unit settings. UN enter. Then you go for, see, you check with the standard, that is decimal. Precision is 0.00, and you please go through this millimeters unit. You should select this insertion scale as a what, a millimeter. And since we select the ISO standard sheet, it will take default unit as a millimeter. Then after that, you please go for dimension settings, D enter. Okay, after drawing any lines, right, you need to specify the dimensions. You need to measure what is the length of the line at that time, what is the arrow size, right, and what is the dimension you are going to mention at that size. That you can set it in this dimension style manager. Shortcut key is what, D enter. You go for modify. In the modify, you go for symbols and arrows. Here, I will go with the arrow size of 4. Okay, we can select a 4 or 5. That will be better for this problems. Then you go for text settings. In the text settings also, text title I will take it 4. Okay, then you check with this primary units. Yeah, decimal 0.0, that will be good. And here decimal separate, you please go with the period, because if it is comma is there, what will happen if your dimension having 15.50, it will make a 15 comma 50, it will indicate. So you go with period, so it will become 15.50. Then you check with alternate units. Okay, then you please click on OK. See, set current, always you need to click on set current after doing any modification. Then please click on OK. Then we'll go see the last setting, that is what, ST enter, that is text style. Whatever the diamond, whatever the text we are going to type now, that height we are going to specify. That is again I will take 4, enter, set current, close. Okay. Now, when it comes to isometric drawings here, we are going to make use of only three types of lines, that is thick line, thin line, and axis line. Okay. For that purpose, what I will do is I will create a three layers here. See, when it comes to these points, lines, or planes and solids problems, you will have 4 5 layers where there will be a continuous line, axis line, text, right? But for this isometric problem, I need three. I will go with that one. See, layers. We go for a new layer now. Yeah, we'll go with the thick line. The name I'm going to give, you can give any line name you want, thick line. And what are the modification you are going to do? So you add a specific color for it. Here I will go with the black color itself. Okay. Now line type, it is a continuous line, and line weight you need to focus. Line weight I'm going to take here 0.5. Okay. Now after this I will go with the insertion of new layer. Now here I will go with the second layer what I need, that is thin layer. Okay. That is thin line layer. I will take thin line. And here I will go with any specified color for it. I will go with this red color. I will click on OK. Then line type is a continuous line, and thickness I will go with this 0.05, that is projection. Thin line means what is a projection line. Then I will go with third one, that is axis line. Okay, I'll go with the axis line. You please uh, see, when you're going to select axis line, the first thing is that you're going to modify the color first. We are going to add a specific color for it. Then we'll go with line type is it is not continuous, right? Since I added a new sheet, see I need to input the line types. I will go with here, see load. So please click on load. Then we select any one. Then press Control A. So all the types of lines will be selected, and you please click on OK, and it will be added. Okay, to do your history. Now here we can make use of all these lines. Now here see, actually for all these lines, planes, there now we are going to make use of this uh, center x2. If okay, center x2 is what the center line. What we are going to use, see center x2. Then okay. Now the next part. Now see, now our intention is to go for what? Isometric drawing. Then it is better if you select isometric scale. It is very, very easy. Now see, whatever the things I'm going to explain, it will be same for both manual method and also by using software, the computer execution. What you are going to do now, that time also you can follow the same procedure. Okay. And here, what I will do is first, I will go for DS Center draft settings because I'm going to change my snap type from rectangular snap to isometric snap. You please observe this graph. Now, whatever we are having, it is a rectangular snap. Now, see, these are what? That is a rectangular snap. Now, we'll go for DS center. Now, I'm going to change it as a isometric snap. You will click on OK. Now, see, scale has been changed. Now, see here, I'm going to keep it to my desired orientation. Now, see, I'll go with F5. Now, see, I will keep it like this. Now, it is good, right? Now, see, when you go for solving this problem in manual method, now you're going to make use of this graph sheet, right? That is available in your solution, right? Now, what we will do is we'll go for solving the problem now. Again, once again, I will go with this problem statement. We have a two combination of solids. One is the frustum, right, of a square pyramid, and the second one is what? Square block. Here on the top of the square block, the first pyramid, square pyramid will be placed, and the base, right? The base edges and the top edges of the pyramids are what? They are parallel, right? Now here, I will go for the problem. Now see, my intention is to what? First, I will create this base. Base is what is a square block of size 60 mm and height 20 mm. Then what I will do is I will go for here software. Yeah. Now I will select line command. After selecting the line command, now I need to start here. See, yeah. Now see, you can draw the sketches directly here, right here on the model, or else you directly go for your layout. Layout will be better. Why? Because you're going to take a printout, right? And difference between model and layout is that in model you can create n number of sketches, whatever you want. But in your layout, na, you can create one. Okay. Now we will go for layout one. See, when I go for selection of layout, first it will ask you to set the sheet standard. Okay, now we'll go for here, modify. Here, you please go for print plotter, and here the whatever the thing is a DWG PDF, you please select that. Okay, then drawing, that is DWG PDF means what? Drawing to PDF. And paper size, what we are going to make, we are going to take A4 size sheet. Okay, 297 into 210. Now see, these two modification you people need to make, then you please click on OK. Now see, close. Now see, you can observe, see, this is what the sheet what you want, okay, in order to do the isometric problems. Okay, now Now I need to do the sketching inside, so I will double click on this. Yeah, now see, I got a isometric. Now here we'll just zoom it. Now whatever the base we have, base dimension is how much? That is 60 into 20, right? I will go with line, go with line. Then what I will do is I will go for this. Yeah, change it. Yeah, I will check with that. Yeah. Now see here. Now when I move my cursor, it is moving on the points of this graph, right? That indicates what? Now I just switch on snap. Okay, snap. What is the main advantage of selecting the snap is to what? Now, by whatever the line I'm going to draw, it will be only at the intersection points or then a depth. That on that only it can be created. That will be very helpful. Okay, when we go for drawing. And see if you want to switch off that one, shortcut key is what? F9. Now see here. Now I will switch off F9. Now see wherever I want, I can click on one point and I can draw the line to any orientation. Now if I switch on F9, what will happen? Only on the see intersection only I am going to create the line. Okay. Now what I will do is, yeah, I will go for here drawing the base. Base is 16 to 20 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, square block of 16 to 20, right? Now here, yeah, if you want to move this particular graph now to any particular position, what you can do, you please press that scroll button, right? And you just hold the scroll button and you keep it any particular position one. And if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you just use scroll button. Okay. Now, again, I will go for line command. And here, yeah, now, yes, F9 is on, snap is on. Now see, base. Base is what? 16 to 20. Now see here, how you are doing in the manual sketching, right? The same thing. Now see here 1 unit, 60 mm means what? 6 unit. Now you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, 6 units, right? Then again, it is a square block, right? See, all the sides will be same. Then again, here in this direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now see, now what I am doing, you are doing the same in the manual method. You will take scale, right? You will take pencil, then again 6 blocks. Like that, you need to draw the sketches. Now again, come back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now here, what is the height they have given? That is 20, right? See, whatever the height they have given, that is how much? That is 20 mm. Now here, I will go with the height. What is the height here? See, I will move downwards. See, 20. Okay. Then again here, see, uh, yeah, directly you can go like this, right? Here by using software now in the sketches also you can do one thing. Now see, you select line command from all the corners, you will see 20, 20 mm, right? See, this is also again 20, right? Then again, if I check with the sketch, yeah, okay. Now see, I will go with this also 20 mm, right? That is 20. Now I'm going to join the corners, see, like this. Please make of scale and now what we will do is see here when it comes to sketch, right? See, always you do sketching by selecting these different layers. You should not place your sketch on the zero layer. Okay, if you place it in zero layer, it will not be available for you printout to take a printout. That's why what you need to do is you need to select a specific layer. Okay, and you need to draw the sketch. Now intentionally I forget it to select this particular sketch layer, then I just draw it in the zero layer. Now see, there is a chance to add this particular sketch to the what layer. Now I am going to add this particular base. Okay, see the base what I am constructed now, it should be thick line. Okay. Now see here, I will go for here. I will add it to thick line. Now see it is added to that is thick line that layer. So now whatever the properties that layer carries, it will be applied to this particular sketch. Okay. Now the next thing. See next we need to place that square pyramid. See first time up a square pyramid on the what? This top of the square block. Right. Now here in order to do that one, first we need to find out this center point. Okay. For that purpose, what I can do is here I can have another one. See, thin line is there. I can make use of that thin line layer for finding the center point. Now see how to find center point. Now see here we know it is a square block of 60 mm. Now see the mid will be what? It will be that is 30, right? I will go for here 1, 2, 3, 3 blocks. Then again 3. Then again in this direction also. Here once again if you want to select line command, right? You press space bar. Okay, whatever the command you selected in previous, right? It will go with that only. Second, 1, 2, 3. Right? See, 3. This is what my center point, right? Now, after finding the center point, now I need to place the base of my the first some square block on this, right? The base they have given that is 40 mm. See, if you check with the problem statement, see the base is 40 mm and top face is 20 mm and height is 60. So we'll go with the base first, that is 40 mm. I'll go for the yeah, okay. Now here, see some of the times you people feel difficulty by to select this line. See why? Because here, see after drawing anything, if you click it outside, now it will be come out of that that is sketching sheet. Okay, that's why see if you want to select anything, it won't be selected. At that time, what you should not panic. You just double click on this, right? It will select this one. Okay, now whatever sketches we draw, these can be easily get selected. Now we need to draw what? That is base. Base is how much? That is 40 mm square, right? Yeah. Now here what we need to do is again we will go for here thick line. Okay. Base what we are going to draw. Okay. Now here line command, right? Here. Here we need to draw the frame that is 20, right? The total it is 40, right? Now see in this particular direction we need to draw how much? That is 20. That is two boxes. Now what I will do is here, if the dimensions are specified, now you will go with the dimensions. Now you don't worry about dimension. Now I will switch off the dimensions by pressing this F12. Now so I don't have dimension. Now see I will go with this uh, the boxes, right? Now see here 1, 2, right? 2 units. So as I already told you, if you want, you make use of that snap command, that is F9 on, right? Otherwise directly you can on. Now see if I switch off F9, it will be better, I guess. Here then 1, 2, right? Then again other direction I need to do it, right? Then again see this one, that is from this 1, 2, right? Two boxes. Then again here see this direction also, that is 1, 2. Then again from this, that is total. You can say 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a square box, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here 1, 2. Now see, this is what the square that is base what we wanted, right? Now see, this is 40. Now, now what we need to do is we need to go for the top face. Top face is what the dimension they have given, that is 20 mm, right? So height is how much? 60 mm. So now in order to draw the height, now what I will do is, yeah, I will go with this axis line, right? From the center, okay, I'm going to draw a axis line of height. They have given that is how much? 60, right? 1, 2, 3. 60 means what? 6 boxes. 4, 5, right? 6. See, like you just zoom out. Now see here also see you can check once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is whatever axis line. See after this, what you need to do, see whatever the see the hidden lines are there, right, sir? Invisible edges, lines, everything you need to trim off. Right now, see here you can observe. See only this front face. What here? What we have? It is visible. So that's why it's better to delete this one. See here when you do the sketching now. Simultaneously you just start trimming the lines, otherwise it looks very clumsy and you will feel very difficulty to delete the line. Now see here all these lines are what we don't need, right? This one, yeah, this also, see this also we don't need it. Now see we just need a the base square block, right? Now see on the top, you know it, see what is axis line. The axis line they have given that is I guess 60 mm, right? Yeah, 60, and the top face is what it is, 20 mm square. Now see again same thing. So by using, see, as I already told you, If you want to move the sketch to any particular position you want, you just press the scroll button, hold it, and move the mouse, and you keep it any particular position you want. And if you want to zoom in, zoom out, you just use that scroll button. You move it forward, backward, it will be zoom in, zoom out will happen. Right? Now here, I will just zoom it. I'm saying my intention is to draw in the top right, only top, I just zoom it. Then again, I will select the line command. See, directly you can select line command or else you can select L. Now see, this is what the top. Now here it is 20 right? Now see here, this side, how much it is? Yeah, half. That is 10 10 means what? One unit. So I will go for again. It is a thick line. I'll go for hit line, right? Yeah, line. Now see, it is out of this sketch. Now I just double click here, right? Now again I will go for line command, and after this from this again 10 then again from this side also how much? That is 10 right? See, this is 10 Then again see this side, this again 20, this is 20, right? See, not 20, just it is 10 10, right? So you need to take care while drawing the sketches. You need to please take care. Now here, see, this side is what again 10, and this is 20. Then again, this is 20, 2 units. Again, 2 units. Then again, now see, this is 20 into 20 square, right? Now just trim these lines, okay, reference lines, what I have, right? Now. Now I got the top face and also bottom face. Now you observe this bottom and top face. Now we need to see, we need to connect the corners, right? Again, we'll go for line command, right? We'll select these two. This is what our corner, right? Then again, line, right? From this to, right? From this corner to this corner. Then again, space bar. See from this corner to this corner, right? I guess you can observe this particular the sketch what we have drawn, right? This one is what we needed, right? Then again here once again you check with the your problem statement. Yeah, yes. Now see whatever the sketch we have, it satisfies your problem statement. And again I am telling you, you please take care of this yeah, invisible edges. Now see here, this thing is what it is. This is not visible, and this is also not visible, and this one. See, these two is also not visible. Okay, now it looks good. Now again, I will go for line command. See from the base, I want to draw yeah, horizontal line to specify the these angles. Okay, from this also horizontal line. Then I will go with measuring the angle. You go for here dimension. Here you please select angular dimension. Then again, yeah, I don't need this snap. I will switch off this snap. F9 off. Then again, see this is 30 degree. Then again, space bar. This also 30, right? Please check with that. See, space bar dimension, yeah, angular dimension, yeah, see that it looks good. All right, yeah. Now you can observe here. See, we already made a, sheet settings, right? A4 sheet, all those things, right? Now, if you want to check it, now what you can do, you go for Control P, print out. Control, you press Control P. Now you're seeing DWGTP here, ISO sheet. And if you want to check, see here, if you check with here, there is no thick line, thin line differentiation, right? Now, if you go for here preview, na, see this, that is print preview, we will get it. See, yes, when you take a printout, see like this only, you will get the printout. Okay. Now see, then you just click on OK and you just save it. Yeah, see, you click on save it, save, and wherever you want, you just click it and save it. Okay. Now here, what I will do on the desktop, I'm going to create a one folder. Yeah. Okay. Here, isometric problems. Okay. See now, if I click on OK, enter. Now see, it will show you the PDF. PDF will open and it will show. Right. This is what the thing we needed. Right. Like this. Okay. Thank you.